Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block someone on Discord. So if you don't want to be able to see their messages anymore, or they would be able to message you and see your post, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block someone. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Discord, and you want to select their user profile icon on the messages. So you just get over to their user profile page. Then you want to select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, select where it says block, and this will prevent them from sending you direct messages, limit access to your profile and activity, and they can interact on your servers. On an individual level, they would be blocked. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.